That's dumb how it bounces. Alright, my own teammate's about to shoot me. Wow, I gotta reload. Nobody covers me. He keep trying to throw them knives. Damn, now. I'm putting steady mags on here when I get it. Oh my god, your mama, I'm in my spot. Keep saying that. Get the other side, Pintech. Oh my god, Pintech, get the other side. The other side. I'm pointing my gun at the spawn. So you can see people coming right there where I just died. The guy you killed after he killed me. Bitch. That burger, I'm getting the other side. Y'all scared to get it. Damn. So scared to get one side. No, can I get the same side? Keep getting the side I'm pointing my gun at. Bitch. Now you wanna get that side. Ticket camper! Shut up, fat burger, you fat faggot! Tell me about it. That hamburger guy. Let me get it. Kill him. Bitch. Tell me. Dumbass. Your mama! Oh my god! Now you kill him! Behind you, Pentac. Behind you, Pentac. Behind you! I got him. Oh, this fucking tombstone thing got my way. Get out of here! Give me this more time! Wow, you killed the guy. Oh, me and you at the same time. Wow. Alright. Don't plant A. Do not plant A. What are you doing? Oh, come on, somebody run back there with me. Y'all all running the same way. Run different ways. But people can't camp. Wow, now, oh my god. Bitch. Dumbass. You're not killing me. Where are you going? Wow! This guy here fiending for throwing knives. All he throw is throwing knives. He just sit in the corner and throw knives. Not cool. Your mama, you scared. Your mama, you scared the shit out of me. Get down there. Oh my god, your mama, he raped me. He just raped me just now. No. He did. But somebody must have saved you then. God, oh my god. I saved your life. Wow. Kill him! Yeah, I swear, mama. Oh my god. Your mama funny as hell. Oh my god. Your mama too funny. I'm about to straight take my kill. Oh my god, that was hilarious. Where you at? Thank you for saving me. That was funny.
Demolition. Defend the objective.
Oh, no, y'all don't let him die. I'm gonna run in their spawn. So he can't take it out. Run in their spawn so he can take it out. Not taking it out. He dropped. Oh my god! The guy just sprayed. At least he's playing it. Damn. What you hiding? Oh, he got me. Take that payload out. Niggas got choppers waiting and shit. All time. Wow, never mind. Kill him. Thank you for saving my life. Alright, stay there, MW2. I'm going to the other side. Yeah. And shoot that spawn. Yeah, I know. Stay there. They ain't not going to spawn behind you. Alright. Alright, you. Oh my god, what do you call your chopper? I got fucking. Man, I got E-drop I can't use, man. King? No, cuz I got a chopper gunner. And before it. Take it out! Let him take the payload out. I want to use my chopper now. He was flying in it. I'm going for 100 kills. I got 82 right now. Wow. Can you chopper leave? Can you payload leave today? Oh my god. About time. My god, I have my chopper. Oh my god. I see him. Wow. Oh, he gonna try to steal it. Huh? Probably. Wow. Alright. God. My God. Defuse it. Who do? A time. I'm trying to get. I'm gonna get 800 kills in this gun. Alright, the guy about to knock my thing down. Y'all get to the spawn. Alright. Oh, somebody took the hell out of my multi-kill. Where you going? You're not running nowhere. Give me that 99, come on. Give me one more. Can I get one more today? Wow. One more kill. Come on! Chopper playing around. Oh, you just took my kill. Give me that 100 kill now. I want it now. He dropped. $134, baby. I'm recording it, calm down. I did. Wow. It's alright. I forgot you had that nuke. No, I'm not gonna leave you alone. I'm gonna spawn kill the shit out of you.